Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Curious Mukil. Super Bowl Sunday is one of the biggest events in this world of sports. And over the years, a lot of myths and legends have cropped up around the game. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at 5 of the most amazing Super Bowl history myths and separating the fact from the fiction. Myth 1. Super Bowl Sunday is the biggest day for food consumption in the US. Many people believe that Super Bowl Sunday is the biggest day for food consumption in the United States, but this is actually a myth. According to the USDA, the real day of maximum food consumption in the United States is Thanksgiving Day. Nevertheless, it is true that Super Bowl Sunday is a big day for snacking and partying, with Americans consuming an estimated 1.3 billion chicken wings and 1,500 tons of chips on this day. Myth 2. The first Super Bowl was held on January 15, 1967. While the first Super Bowl was indeed played on January 15, 1967, the game was actually called the AFL-NFL World Championship game. It wasn't until Super Bowl III that the game was officially referred to as the Super Bowl. This game was played between the New York Jets and the Baltimore Colts, and it's considered one of the biggest upsets in Super Bowl history. Myth 3. The Super Bowl coin toss has never landed on heads. This is a myth that has been circulating for years, but it is not true. In fact, the Super Bowl coin toss has landed on heads just as many times as it's landed on tails. This year, why not make a friendly wager with your friends on which side of the coin will land during the coin toss? Myth 4. The Super Bowl trophy is made out of solid gold. The Super Bowl trophy, also known as the Vince Lombardi Trophy, is one of the most prestigious awards in all of sports. But contrary to popular belief, the trophy is not made of solid gold. In fact, it's made of sterling silver and covered in 24-karat gold plating. The Super Bowl trophy is named after legendary Green Bay Packers coach Vince Lombardi and is awarded to each year to the winning team of the Super Bowl. Myth 5. The Super Bowl halftime show is one of the most watched music events of the year. The Super Bowl halftime show is certainly one of the most watched music events of the year. It's not the most watched. The honor goes to the annual New Year's Eve celebrations, which are broadcast all over the world. Nevertheless, the Super Bowl halftime show has become a cultural phenomenon in its own right, with some of the biggest names in music performing on big stage. So there you have it, 5 of the most amazing Super Bowl history myths explained. By the way, I support the Chiefs. I think they're gonna win this year's Super Bowl. And as always, please support and subscribe my channel.